Is a video on percentages. It's video 5 in the series on percentages, and I'm looking at VAT, discount, profit and percentage profit, and loss and percentage loss. I'm going to work through these 4 different areas. The first area is VAT. VAT is value added tax, or VAT. It's the money that you give the government, which is added on to what you buy. So if you buy a bicycle, it might include VAT. So the person selling the bike might be willing to sell it for €400, but there's also VAT added on, so they have to add on an extra amount of money. So maybe you buy it for €420, and that €20 goes to the government, and it's on services you pay for, like a plumber or a mechanic or a painter or something like that. So VAT is value added tax. So here's an example. The VAT on TVs is 21%. Find the total price of a television if the price before VAT is €500. So basically, you've got your price before VAT, which is 100%, and then we're going to have to increase it by adding on 21%, because that's what the VAT is. So our price with VAT is 121%. Okay, and that's just worthwhile getting into your head, because when we get to more complicated questions, it's useful to know the percentages and how they work out. So you've got €500 is the price now. Okay, the VAT is 21%, so we're going to find 21% of 500. So basically, we're increasing 500 by 21%. So 21% of 500, they cancel. So 21% of 500 is €105. So our new price with VAT is going to be €500 plus €105, which is €605. So €605 is the price including VAT. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. Now, let's just talk about what the percentages are. So the price before was 100%. The VAT was 20%. So this was 100%. This was 21%. So this is 121%. Now again, if you want to use the multiplier method, you're finding 121% of €500. So 121% by €500, which should be 5 by 121, which would be €605. So the multiplier method, we'd multiply by 1.21. So 500 times 1.21, which would be €605. Okay. A car costs €9,000 including VAT. So this is one of the more difficult ones where we have to find out the price before VAT. So including VAT, the car costs €9,000, and VAT is at 25%. So including VAT at 25%, the car costs €9,000. So that's 100% plus 25%. So the €9,000 is actually 125% of the price before VAT. So price before VAT equals 100%. Okay, and that's what we have to find. Find the price before VAT, which is 100%. So 9,000 equals 125%. So what we're going to do is find 1%. So to find 1% of 125% is 9,000. Then we divide 9,000 by 125 to get 1%, which is 72. So 72 is 1%, and we're trying to find 100%. So 100% will be 72 times 100, so 7,200. So the price before VAT was 7,200. Okay. We were told the price including VAT was 9,000. We realized that was 125%, because it was 100% of the price plus 25% of the price. So when we knew that 9,000 was 125%, we knew we had to divide by 125 to find 1%, which turned out to be 72. And then to find 100%, we multiplied 72 by 100. So the price before VAT was equal to 72 €7,200, €7,200. Okay, that's really important. Now, next one. A discount. So you know what a discount is. It's like in a sale where a price is reduced. So it's a certain reduction of a certain amount, a percentage amount. So a pair of shoes cost €40. In a sale, there is 15% discount. Find the price of the shoes in the sale. So before the sale, before the discount, the price is €40. That's going to be 100%. The discount is 15%. We don't know how much that is yet, and it's subtracted because it's a discount, it's a reduction. So our price after the discount, which is our sale price, is 85%. So we can either find 15% and subtract, so 15% of 40, so 15 over 100 times 40, which will be what? 6. 60 divided by 10, which is 6. So it's going to be €40 minus 6, which is €34. So the price after the sale is €34. The sale price, I guess, is €34. That's one way of doing it, finding 15% and subtracting. Or again, we could use the multiplier method. We know that it's 85%, the sale price, equals 85% of 40. So we have 85 times 4, which is 340, and we're dividing that by 10, which is €34. So either way, that gives us the sale price, either by finding 85% of the original amount or by finding 15% and subtracting. Okay. In a sale, a bicycle has a price tag of €189, including a 30% discount. How much was the bicycle before the sale? So, before the sale, before the discount, the bicycle would have been 100%. The discount was 30%. So, the sale price, or the after the discount was €189, sorry, which was 100% minus 30%, which is 70%, and that equals €189. So we know that €189 equals 70%. So we're going to find 1% will equal 189 divided by 70. I'm going to do that in my calculator. 189 divided by 70, which equals €2.70. Equals 1%, so 100% will equal 100 times €2.70, which is €270. So that was the price before the sale, before the discount. Okay. Here's percentage profit and profit. So as hopefully you know, profit is the amount of money extra that you make when you sell something. So you buy something, you sell it for more than that, and that's your profit. Okay, so it's the difference between the amount you buy something for and the amount you sell something for. Percentage profit is always profit divided by the cost price times 100. That's very important. It's the profit divided by the cost price times 100. So basically we're saying what percentage is your profit of the cost price? What percentage is your profit? So what percentage is your profit of the cost price? So you buy an iPad for €300 and you sell it for €400. How much profit did you make, and what was your percentage profit? So your profit is going to be your selling price minus your cost price. So €400 minus €300, which is €100. Your percentage profit is going to be your profit over your cost price times 100. Okay, profit over cost price times 100, which if we work that out, we find out that it's 100 divided by 3, so 33.33% profit. Okay, so that was profit. Just write that again, profit over cost price times 100. Now, a loss and a percentage loss. So loss obviously is what happens when you buy something and you sell it for less. So it's still selling price minus cost price, but the answer will be negative. Percentage loss is the loss over the cost price times 100. You buy a book for 15 euro and sell it on for 10 euro, hopefully after you read it. What was your loss in euro and what was your percentage loss? Okay, so your loss first of all will be 10 euro, which was your selling, minus 15 euro, which was your cost. So you've got 5 euro loss. Okay, because 10 minus 15 is minus 5, so it's a loss. So your percentage loss is your loss over your cost price times 100, which is equal to 5 over your cost price, which is 15, times 100. Okay, 5 over 15 times 100. So that's going to be, it's going to be 1/3 as well. So 1/3 of 100, which is 33 1/3% loss. Okay, we just find one more example. Okay, so here's one more example. It says the price of a newspaper goes up by 5% to €2.52. What was the original price of the newspaper? So just one more of these slightly harder questions. The original price of the newspaper. So let's just work this out. So we had 100%, which was the original price. And then it went up by, so we added on 5% in increase. So we had 105%. And we know that that 105% is €2.52. Okay, sorry, there we are again. The price of a newspaper goes up by 5% to €2.52. What was the original price of the newspaper? So the 100% was the original price, 5% is the increase, and so our price after increase is 105%, and that's €2.52. So we know €2.52 is equal to 105%. So we're going to find 1%. So €2.52 over 105 equals 1%. So let's work that out. 252 divided by 105 equals 0.024. That's 1%. So I'm going to find 100% because that's going to be the original price. So 100 times 0.024. So that'll be that'll be €2.40 would be the original price of the newspaper. Okay, just one last quick question. Just say, let's say I sell a Toblerone bar for €4.50, making a profit of 20%. How much did I pay for the Toblerone? Did I pay for the Toblerone? Okay, so again, just last one. So the cost price is what I'm trying to find, and remember that's 100%. The profit was 20%, and that means that the selling price was 120%, and we know that that was €4.50. So we know that that €4.50 is 120%. I want to find 100%. Now what I could do, I suppose, is I could find 20%, because 20% goes into 120 and goes into 100. So €4.50 divided by 6 will be 20%. Now this is where people make a mistake. They think that they divide by 5 to get 20%. And let's look at that, because €4.50 is 120%. So 1% would be €4.50 divided by 120, and 100% would be €4.50 divided by 120 times 100. And actually that works out to be, okay,